Doel, the national bird of Bangladesh. Wings are dark brown with distinct whitish long spots. The tail is black, but the tip is white. The black parts of the female dove's body are brown and look like dirty sand. They nest in natural holes of trees or bushes. They are usually found in dense forests, gardens, villages, and localities. Sweet soft of whistles. The tip of the tail dances. A Doel's tail looks like a rooster tail when sitting still. During the breeding season, the male dove sings very loudly in a melodious voice in the early morning and late afternoon.